Hi, welcome to our channel CFN Interpreters. Today we are going to learn about the definition of goods and the definition of service. Okay, goods means as per section 2 subsection 52 of the GST Act, goods means every kind of movable property. That means it does not include immovable property and other than money, securities, which means the definition of the goods does not include money and securities too, but it includes the actionable claims, growing crops and grass and things attached to the part of the land which are agreed to be served before supply or under a contract of supply, which means the actionable claims means the claim that have the ability to recover the money from the borrower. Next, growing crops, grass and things attached to or forming part of the land and which are agreed to be served before supply or under a contract of supply. Next, and one important circular is there regarding the definition of the goods, that is PSLCs. PSLCs means primary sector lending certificates, okay, which are not securities, which are not treated as securities. That's why hence it is a supply of goods, taxable as goods, and nature of supply we need to be remembered. It is a nature of supply in the nature of intrastate supply. Hence IGST will be levied. This is all about the definition of the goods. We need to remember three important points here. One is the goods definition means every kind of the movable property. That means it does not include immovable properties. Next, that definition specifically excludes the money and securities, but which includes actionable claims, growing crops and grass and things attached to the forming part of the land and which are agreed to be served before supply or under a contract of supply. Next, the important circular in the definition of goods is PSLCs, means primary sector lending certificates. These are specifically traded between the banks, so that in order to meet the requirement of the primary sector lending. Next, and PSLCs are not securities, not treated as securities, hence it is taxable as goods, supply of goods, and the nature of supply needs to be considered as intrastate supply, hence IGST will be levied. This is all about the definition of the goods. Okay, next, services. The services definition is under section 2 subsection 102 of CGST Act. As per the section 2 subsection 102 of the CGST Act, services means anything other than goods, money and securities, which means services does not include goods, money and securities, but which includes activities relating to the use of money or its conversion by one form or by any other mode from one form, currency or denomination to another form or currency or denomination, for which separate consideration is charged. Explanation. Services includes facilitating and arranging transactions in securities. Services includes facilitating and arranging transactions in securities. Example, demat charges, commission, portfolio maintenance charges are liable to GST as service. And an important note here is that derivatives are securities, hence neither supply of goods, neither supply of services. Hence no GST will be levied on the derivatives. Next, some simple exercise here in order to understand whether you people are understand or not. First point, I will explain the answers, but before that you as a attendee should go through this answers first and I will reveal the answers later. Okay. First I am disclosing the what are the things. First one is sale of debentures. You need to answer yourself whether it is a sale of whether it attracts GST or not, and if it does not attract the GST, what is the reason for that. Next thing, sale of plot of land. Next, cash deposited into bank, housing loan taken, interest on loan. Hope you people are participated and you have your own answers, and I am explaining about next answers of these things. Sale of debentures. Since debentures are covered under the securities which are specifically excluded from both the definitions of goods and services, hence no GST will be levied on the sale of debentures. Next, sale of plot of land. Plot of land is an immovable property which is from the definition of the goods itself. Every kind of the movable property is there, hence no immovable property will be taken as goods, hence not taxable under the GST. Cash deposited into bank. Specifically, the money is excluded from both the definitions of goods and services. Hence, the cash deposited into bank is a transaction in the cash. Hence, it is not taxable under the GST. Next, housing loan. This is also a same case. Housing loan means we will take a cash from the bank. There is a contra, like cash deposited into bank, cash collected from the bank. Hence, these two transactions are transactions in cash. Hence, dealing with cash. Hence, not taxable under the GST. Last but not the least, the interest on loan. Interest on loan is a facilitating service for providing a loan money. Hence, it is a service. It's covered under the definition of the service. But it is specifically given the exemption in the GST. Hence, it is not taxable. The exemption entry number is 27. Hope this short video will help you all, and I hope you are all benefited from these videos. Please like and share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.